friends! Today's video is a bit different. I'm in the process of cleaning out my craft room and repurposing my craft room in a way that is functional for me. Needs change, processes change, and I need to make adjustments and changes to my space. With that said, the Amazon store ecostash contacted me and asked if I would be interested in making a product review video. In view of what my current craft room situation is, I agreed, and I was curious to see what they had that I could use in my craft/workspace. Today we're unboxing the ecostash hanging file folders and see what makes their hanging file folders different than the rest.
When you wanna add a little sparkle, when you need a little shine, come on over, grab your scissors, let's create and make it fly. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive.
As you can see, the ecostash folders come well packaged. They come in sets of 3, and you have the option to choose what color set you want to purchase. In keeping with my craft room motif, I chose the pastel trio. The pastel colors in this pack are pink, blue, and lavender. EcoStash's wheat straw material hanging file folders are designed for letter-sized documents and fit most standard file cabinets. Their wheat straw material file organizers are BPA-free, making them safer and healthier compared to other plastic and paper file folders. My pack included 5 file separators along with 3 bottom supports. They are large capacity folders, and I'll be able to put away many of my personal scrapbook papers and leftovers in them. I hope that you found this file folder review helpful and that it inspires you to get some of your very own. To get started on your very own clutter-free craft space, just check my video description area and you'll find my link to the ecostash file folder system on my Amazon page. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.
Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper, lace, and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy's showing you the way. With pictorious ideas, giveaways, let's craft today. A brand new start, scrappy love and joyful making, pouring out from all our hearts. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy's smile and magic hands, let's craft and come alive. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper, lace, and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy's showing you the way. With tutorials, ideas, giveaways, let's craft today. So